This is for how to start the machine. You can switch off the machine by this emergency. You can switch off by pressing, or you can just start it by rotating. If it reaches you, it is not switching on, then you have to rotate it like this. And here I am telling you how to set the temperature. First press it. Here we have the desired temperature. You can make it 30, 35, 34, 3, and then you can press it again, enter it. It becomes 39 degree. This will be the temperature you have already set desired. Mostly the working is mostly up to 45 degree or 50 degree above room temperature, 5 degree above room. I have started once so that I can demonstrate by touching it hand. So it has gone above room temperature. So the room temperature about 30 degree here. So it's very easy. Set temperature and enter is entering temperature. This one is the temperature of the surface. This one is the temperature what you are designing. This is on off switch. You can on off and on. Here we have it tells you that it is working or not. Here if it is heating, then it will show you the indicator here. Very easy to use, and you can see the other video and subscribe to the channel.